Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR M400 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to press the up or down button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon. Once you find it, press the middle button to enter the settings. Now scroll down, select the general settings option and press the middle button. Here scroll down, select the flight mode, and basically this is the airplane mode. As you can see at the time, right now it's off, but if you want to switch it on, press the middle button, select on and press the middle button. And you will see the message flight mode on, and it means that the airplane mode is enabled. And you can press the back button right here to go back to watch face. You will see the airplane mode icon on the watch face, which indicates that the airplane mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, go back to the settings, general settings, select the fly mode, press the middle button, select off, you'll see the message flight mode off, and then when you go back to watch face, the icon will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.